It's Neil, and I'm back in the kitchen again. Today I have the new Airpods Pro. I have some old Airpods Pros, and the new ones, let's see what they look like next to each other. So I'm gonna open up the little plastic stuff there. Looks like there's one on the bottom here too. And comes with little information stuff. I don't even see one of those little Apple stickers, but I don't know. Not that I ever use those. End up throwing them away with the boxes. Okay, so this is what the thing looks like. Right there. And it comes with a wire. It looks like it is just another lightning wire, like every other wire of theirs. What's down here? Oh, and then the headphone thingies, the little pieces on there. You'll see on my old ones, I put some little blue ones on there. This is the most boring video. On the old ones, I put these blue ones on. Oh God, I can't even get them out. Okay, I put these little blue ones on there. For some reason, they just fit good. They were kind of a memory foam thing. So, okay, whatever. So let's see next to each other. These are what the two cases look like. You'll see on the new one, it has that little space there for the little lanyard. And on the old one, it has this metal piece back there on the back. Oh no, this one does too, backwards there. So those are it, and they both have the same little button on the back in the middle, and then the little light goes on to connect it. And opening them up, as far as weight goes, same. So opening it up here, it looks like it comes with some of the little rubber things on there already, even though it comes with 6 more. So it looks like it comes with the medium-sized ones on it. I'll probably end up switching them out, but let's look at the headphone old versus new. So you can see, okay, here we are. So this is what it looks like there. So next to each other, old ones with the blue and the new ones, the other one. So the old one, are these are 2 different sides. Let me get both of them the same side. Okay, so these are them now. So this is one next to the other. So they both have that thing there. They both have the same, whoa. Who's in the freaking camera? Nothing's working. Okay. So the new one has an extra little space up there that the old one didn't have. But otherwise they look the same. Let's see if I put it in. Not here. Got the same fit. Same fit that I didn't like on the other one, which is why I bought these little blue things. I'm gonna try taking off one of the blue things that I got from the old one. Look at that, it just comes off. And there we go. I like it.